The explanation today will cover how to connect EzyTunnel and the E-invoice feature in SQL EzyLink Tools. With the SQL accounting system, there are 4 options available for E-Invoice in SQL EzyLink Tools. How to connect EzyTunnel in SQL EzyLink Tools. First, at the login page, click Host Settings under the More menu. Then click Edit Settings and tick Domain Name Hosting and EzyTunnel. After that, enter the client ID and password. Then, click the Verify button. Finally, click Test Connection to connect to the server and save your settings. After logging in, click Settings and Maintenance. Then, click the company profile. After that, click the Register icon on the right side. Select E-Invoice. There are 4 options available. Option 1. This account has no E-invoices. Option 1 is for accounts that are not registered for E-invoice in the EzyRetail post and accounting system. When posting to the account in EzyLink Tools, the E-invoice submission type under Advanced Options will be selected as None. Option 2. All submissions are done in the accounting system. Option 2 means that this account has registered for E-invoice in the accounting system only, but not in EzyRetail posts. So, all E-invoice submissions will be carried out in SQL accounting system. When posting to the account in EzyLink Tools, the E-invoice submission type under Advanced Options will be selected as Follow Customer E-invoice Submission Type. This means the status of E-invoice submissions are based on the customer E-invoice submission settings in SQL accounting system. If the customer E-invoice submission setting in SQL accounting system is set to None, the MyInvois submission status for transactions sensed from EzyRetail posts via EzyLink Tools will also be shown as None. The status will be shown as E-invoice if the customer E-invoice submission setting in SQL accounting system is set to E-invoice. If the customer E-invoice submission settings in SQL accounting system is set to Consolidated, the E-invoice submission status for transactions sensed from EzyRetail posts via EzyLink Tools will be shown as Consolidated. Option 3. All submissions are done in EzyMyInvois. Option 3 means that this account has subscribed to the E-invoice module in EzyRetail POS, and all E-invoice submissions will be carried out in EzyRetail POS. When changing the E-invoice option in SQL EzyLink Tools, the client ID and password must be filled in exactly as provided in the Consolidated E-invoice portal. After that, click Verify, then click Update Changes to save the changes. When posting to the account, the E-invoice submission type under Advanced Options will be selected as None. In SQL accounting system, the E-invoice submission status for transactions sensed from EzyRetail posts via EzyLink Tools will also be shown as None. Option 4. Customer claims E-invoices via EzyMyInvois. Consolidated submissions are performed in the accounting systems. This option is only available if EzyTunnel enabled at host connection. Change the MyInvoice option to Option 4. Then, enter the client ID and password provided by the Consolidated E-invoice portal. For Option 4, the E-invoice submission status will be displayed in SQL EzyLink Tools. When posting to the account, the E-invoice submission type under Advanced Options will be selected as Consolidated. In SQL accounting system, if the customer claims E-invoices via EzyMyInvois, the submission status for transactions sensed from EzyRetail post to SQL accounting system through EzyLink Tools will be shown as the invoice, and the UUID will also be displayed because the UUID retrieved from MyTax is used to uniquely identify each E-invoice and prevent duplicate submissions within the accounting system. However, if the customer does not claim E-invoices via EzyMyInvois, the E-invoice submission status will be shown as Consolidated. If the account uses the E-invoice module in EzyRetail post to submit the Consolidated E-invoice, an error message will be prompted because the consolidated submissions are performed in the SQL accounting systems. For option 4, there are 2 additional options called Sync E-invoice submission status and Post unposted E-invoice submission UUID only at posting to account. Before posting the unposted E-invoice submission UUID, you must first sync the E-invoice submission status. These 2 additional options are only available for option 4 and is used to post UUID for documents that were already posted to the accounting system before the customer submits E-invoices, but the customer later submits the E-invoice via EzyMyInvois. That concludes all the content for this video. Thank you for watching.